that water all up through here. It's been covering the sidewalk and everything. Not for sure how high the water level is, but it's up. Where's the boat ramp? It's underwater. Holy smolies, look at it, how jacked up it is, y'all. It almost made it up on this hillside. Did you get this right here? So you can see the hillside right here? It almost made that hillside. And cruise down here to the Mexican restaurant and look across the water there at the boat marina and see how it is over there. They said the water was going to crest today. It's on up here. A lot of debris out there, a lot of debris.
It's almost at 25.
It's almost at 25, you say?
Yeah. See?
Yeah. Dagnabbit. That's rough. All them fields back over there across the ways all flooded out. You can see that now? You can see that flood over there in that field? All right, let's take a trip down. Let's pause that and take a trip